Owiny-Dollo hands over office as Zeija assumes role of acting Chief Justice. Former Chief Justice Alphonse Chigamoy Owiny-Dollo has officially ceased handling office, making the end of a 5-year tenure at the helm of Uganda's judiciary. I ceased being Chief Justice at midnight last night, Justice Owiny-Dollo said, noting that by constitutional provision, Deputy Chief Justice automatically assumes office as acting Chief Justice upon the retirement of a serving Chief Justice. Earlier in the afternoon, Chief Justice Owiny-Dollo formally handed over office to the Deputy Chief Justice, Justice Dr. Flavian Zeija, during a ceremony witnessed by judicial and non-judicial officers. As part of the handover, he presented Justice Zeija with copies of the Constitution, the laws of Uganda, the administration of the Judiciary Act, and a comprehensive handover report to guide the transition. In his farewell remarks, Justice Owiny-Dollo expressed profound gratitude to the judiciary's top management and the wider judiciary family for their support throughout his service. He described the judiciary as his second family and emphasized his commitment to concluding all pending matters before him, even as he retires from active judicial service. The judiciary also extended warm birthday wishes to him in recognition of his service. Justice Dr. Flavian Zeija praised his predecessor's participatory and transformational leadership, crediting him for spearheading the judiciary's transformation agenda, increasing its budget, advancing alternative dispute resolutions (ADR), and promoting the Africanization of Uganda's judiciary through platforms such as the African ADR Forum. The principal judge, Lady Justice Jane Francis Abudu, lauded Justice Owiny-Dollo as a mentor and reformer, highlighting his role in strengthening ADR, alternative justice systems, and plea bargaining, which significantly reduced case backlogs and delays. Other speakers, including the Permanent Secretary to the Judiciary, Dr. Pius Bigiremana, and Acting Chief Registrar H.U. Lamono Pamela Ochaya, commended his integrity, humility, and lasting impact on judicial independence and access to justice for all Ugandans. Check it out.
This afternoon, I must say that it is not a very pleasant afternoon for me, because I have come to witness you handover, and I am under obligation to sign the handover report. Tomorrow I might be asking whether I witness the handover or not. Throughout the time the Chief Justice has been here, I have found comfort, I have found commitment, and I have never, not even one single time, doubted him or his discipline.
Your Lordship, as we bid you farewell, after your distinguished 5-year tenure as Chief Justice, the entire justice fraternity celebrates your legacy that has been defined by vision, empathy, collaboration, and unwavering commitment to justice for all Ugandans.
I leave this office with the knowledge that they, as the software of access to justice, will make us proud by ensuring that the ordinary justice seeker gets justice.
The laws of Uganda are not bigger than this, but this has got an index of all the laws of Uganda. Because I recognize the laws of Uganda, and we compete with you in those things.
Public officers like that, we join, we serve, and leave. The question is, how do you live? When you are leaving that office, what will people talk about you? That is very critical. And my Lord, I can say without any contradiction, that you have left a legacy here which will live on